Okay, this next icon is more of a situation, so I'm going to draw how I depict someone calling a call center. So essentially, I'll draw two people. So I've already got worksheets on how to draw people, so I'm just going to go ahead and draw them. So I don't know, different times I draw different things first. But sort of simplest face. And when I'm drawing people, I think about what they're wearing to depict, and maybe how their hair is to depict what sort of person they are. So in this case, drawing a tie and all that sort of stuff makes it out that they're a business person. We can, I guess, make it a little bit more realistic by having them holding a phone up to their ear. So you can see how I'm constantly, when I'm drawing, sort of redrawing and erasing and redrawing. So there's our customer, and then this sort of line just depicting that we're somewhere else. So I draw in the face, and again, you can sort of see, like, at the moment they could be just a casual person at home. If we had a collar, they could be in the branch or just a little bit more well dressed. Then you had the tie, and sometimes if you had a pocket and some pens, it's all levels of moving up from just casual. Sometimes I then remove the head, add some hair. Don't know what this hair sits him or not, but there you go. And then just to show that it's a call center, the best thing and the easiest thing to do is sort of just lines are probably a bit thick, but I'm trying to overdo it just so you can see it. Then of course the easiest way to say to see that they're talking to each other is to add some speech bubbles and some text. And there you have it.